This is the world's first portable battery pack with a 110-volt AC outlet and DC outlet, meaning it can charge almost anything, anywhere. It also functions as a jump starter for a car that can be used up to 30 times. ComPower is fully equipped with 4 USB ports supporting 2 different voltage outputs. It can support DC output and 100-watt AC outputs at the same time. The LED lights attached to the device feature 3 different modes.
Hi, I'm Joe.
I'm Kieran.
We are the team behind ComPower.
When we first had the idea of this product, we wanted to develop the power to change any location into a leisure zone or workspace without restrictions. With this, you can take your home with you. After long-term testing and several modifications, the final design operates as an efficient, portable, and multifunctional power bank. The large capacity battery holds 22,000 milliamps and is small and light enough to fit in your handbag. ComPower will help to arrange your time in a more efficient way. You can even work in the car and get prepared on your way to an important meeting. ComPower can charge a large range of different devices at the same time. It can also be charged while it provides energy to other devices. The input port of ComPower has been specifically designed to be very convenient and has even been adapted to include a solar panel. ComPower will break the restrictions faced by everyone on a daily basis, and the possibilities it provides are only limited by your imagination. Almost any normal electrical appliance can be charged by the ComPower. It means that you can make every place your home and share it with friends. Dealing with an emergency, easily being charged by your car as well as charging all your devices, ComPower will totally change your way of life.
We love the fact that we are all unique. Every fingerprint, every set of eyes, every set of ears is completely, exquisitely different. This belief is what drove us to create ARC. The custom-made earphone using the world's first standardized ear sizing chart. They come with an innovative rubberized shape and tail design for superior comfort and more secure wearing experience. There's no such thing as one size fits all when it comes to our ears. Conventional earphones, while supposedly made for comfort, can either be too big or too small, and do not adapt to critical differences for our ears. They fall out and often cause pain after wearing them for extended periods of time. So we changed the game, disrupted the industry, a project 4 years in the making with hundreds of thousands of ears being studied, researched, and modeled, enabling us to develop the world's first groundbreaking comprehensive ear database and sizing charts. In a similar way to clothes and shoe sizing, we find the right earphone for you. It's as simple as taking a picture of each ear with a quarter and submitting them through our website or mobile device. Your ear data will be analyzed, and within a week, you'll receive ARC earphones designed for your own unique type of ear. ARC's patented design ensures maximum comfort and incredible hi-fi sound quality. It will change your experience of listening to music, podcasts, or simply making a phone call. Switch from wired to Bluetooth in seconds to be ready for whatever life throws at you. Leave them in for hours. You'll forget they're even there. Take them anywhere. Do anything.
Starting a business nowadays is easy. Everyone has great ideas, but sometimes it takes a lot of repetitive work to realize them. This is where DoBot M1 gets in. DoBot M1 is an industrial-level robotic arm production platform. It's precise, fast, and extendable, and also affordable. It can be your 3D printer, laser engraver, soldering machine, or whatever else you build upon it. Yes, you can build one. DoBot M1 has 0.02 millimeters repeatability and 1.5 kilogram payload. With these standardized, easy-to-change heads, you can easily turn this power into productivity. Like 3D printing, it can print your product with fluency and details. 2 colors? No problem. Or use laser to engrave your unfading masterpiece. Or do sophisticated soldering, customizing your PCB circuit board better than a pro. Besides being multifunctional, DoBot M1 is also easy to master and develop. DoBot M1 supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. You can connect to multiple arms at once and control them via our app on PC or smartphone. With a force-sensitive 3D mouse, you can control DoBot M1 as precisely as you want. No more trying and guessing on a confusing software. With its handhold teaching feature, you can input coordinates in the fastest and most intuitive way. DoBot M1 is programmable via the integrated APIs. You can use official or self-built developing environment, or use this visualized programming interface, making things a lot easier. But we don't stop here. DoBot M1 is highly extendable. There are no limits to your imagination on it. The maximum reach of DoBot M1 is 400 millimeters, which is enough for most of the situations. But why don't we think bigger, when it can actually go further? Or use a camera for visual. With its fast and accurate image recognizing algorithm, it can distinguish colors without making one mistake. DoBot M1 loves companions. They can work seamlessly together, processing paperwork way faster than humans could. Ultimately, DoBot M1 is built to replace manpower in production line, working day and night non-stop. The built-in mapping and path planning system provides this excellent mobility, providing inventory management service in your warehouse.
What are your life goals for the coming year? Swim more laps in the pool? Run a faster marathon? Push harder at the gym? Or maybe walk more and explore around town? We're active and love music just like you. So for more than a year, we've been developing a waterproof smart headset called the theyre Amp, which is an MP3 player, Bluetooth headset, and FM player all in one, so you can take your music in and out of the water with comfort and convenience. Amplify your workouts by listening to the music you choose. Easily load songs onto its own internal 8GB system. Manage your playlist using our proprietary app that can be found in both the Apple and Android store. Connect the theyre Amp to your mobile phone and feed in your iTunes, Spotify, or other music applications, as well as answer phone calls. Sweat or swim as much as you want. Our patented design headphones meet a superior IPX8 waterproofing standard, which means it can continuously remain submerged underwater for up to 3 meters. They're soft and comfortable as they're coated in silicone and not harsh skin-irritating plastics. With a simple 3-part design, a built-in USB connector plugs directly into your computer to charge or download files easily. Forget your worries and submerge yourself in your training with the enjoyable, accessible, and amazing waterproof smart headset, the theyre Amp. We're almost finished with the development, and we need your help so that we can amp up your life.
This thing's cool. It's so stable. It's pretty rad.
Hi, I'm Didnt from FlowMotion.
It's hard to capture smooth video using your smartphone. We've all been there. The camera is so good that you can make a Hollywood movie with this thing, but your phone is almost impossible to hold steady. And that's why we have developed FlowMotion One, the world's most versatile smartphone stabilizer. Developed by engineers and athletes, but made for everyone. One keeps your phone steady even when you're not, and enables you to capture smooth cinematic videos with your smartphone. One is compact. You can take off the grip, fold it together and fit it in your pocket. And One works even without the grip, allowing you to attach it to any camera and GoPro mount. With the power of your smartphone, One becomes a lot more than just a stabilizer. In the FlowMotion app, we built in advanced tracking technology so it automatically follows any object, a person, or even yourself. Create stunning motion time-lapses, create amazing panorama photos, live stream your moments directly to Facebook or YouTube, or even make cinematic Snapchat and Instagram stories. One is super easy to use. Just slide in your phone and with one click, you're ready to go. We've gathered an amazing team of business developers, engineers, and athletes. We've iterated and tested over and over again and have finally come up with something we can be truly proud of. Our mission is to help people tell better stories and make professional videography available for everyone, anywhere, at any time. So back us today and help us put an end to shaky videos.
Hey, I'm Wouter from Coma Electronic and this is our latest product, the Coma Electronic Field Kit. A little box made for experimentation with electroacoustic elements. The Field Kit is inspired by experimental electroacoustic performance techniques as discovered by our heroes like John Cage, Steve Reich and David Tudor. By using contact microphones and electromagnetic pickups, sensors and switches, you can generate sounds from ordinary objects and process it inside the Field Kit. The Field Kit is built up out of 7 different building blocks. In the middle of all of it is the 4-channel mixer. Each channel has a tone control, a volume control and a gain control. On top of that, there is a little selector button over here with which you can send the signal to an auxiliary bus. That comes out over here. Of course, there is a master volume and a master output and a speaker volume and speaker output where you can switch between different channels to send to the speaker output. Next to the mixer, you find the envelope follower. You send in a signal and the envelope follower sends out an envelope or a gate. You can set the control sensitivity here and play around with it and, for instance, control the DC interface. Down on the left, we find the CV radio, which is an AM, FM and shortwave radio that you can set both by hand with this little button here, or you can search via CV over all bands. Next to the radio, you find the LFO. It's a very basic and simple design that goes into audio rate, so you can also use it as a rudimentary normal oscillator. Here you can tune it, here you can set the range, and here you can set the waveform. Over there you have the output. Here in the bottom we'll find the signal interface, where you can use any type of sensor, plug it in on the bottom right here, set the level, set an offset, and get a CV signal out over here. The Field Kit is ideal for people who want to experiment with sound, with people that want to make their own sounds. It's ideal for sound designers, for people that just want to play in their living room, or, since it's so small, take it on the road. We have worked on the Field Kit for the last year, and we are very happy that it's finally finished.
it can charge almost anything, anywhere. It also functions as a jump starter for a car that can be used up to 30 times. ComPower is fully equipped with 4 USB ports supporting 2 different voltage outputs. It can support DC output and 100-watt AC outputs at the same time. The LED, after long-term testing and several modifications, the final design operates as an efficient, portable, and multifunctional power bank. The large capacity battery holds 22,000 milliamps and is small and light enough to fit in your handbag. This is the world's first portable battery pack with 110-volt AC outlet and DC outlet. ComPower will help to arrange your time in a more efficient way. You can even work in the car and get prepared on your way to an important meeting. Lights attached to the device feature 3 different modes.
Hi, I'm Joe.
I'm Kieran.
We are the team behind ComPower.
When we first had the idea of this product, we wanted to develop the power to change any location into a leisure zone or workspace without restrictions. With this, you can take your home with you